EZWrite 6 gives you access to a suite of intuitive AI tools, including optical character recognition, translation, text-to-speech, and handwriting recognition. Let's start with optical character recognition, or OCR. With it, you can extract text from any image and turn it into editable text that is easy to read, adjust, and share. To do this, select an image and tap the OCR icon in the Object Controls menu. You can tap and hold the OCR icon to change its settings. After extracting the text, you can use the translation feature to translate it into more than 50 languages. Tap and hold the Translate icon to set up languages and download more. Tap the icon again to start translating. Next, you can use text-to-speech to make the BenQ Board read the sentence aloud.
Les motifs de la couche.
Like the other AI tools, tap and hold the text-to-speech icon to access its settings and set up languages. Then simply tap the icon again to hear the BenQ Board read your text in the desired language.
Les motifs de la couche régolithe.
Last up is handwriting and shape recognition. Write some text or draw a shape, select it, and tap the Handwriting or Shape Recognition button to first download the package. You're now ready to transform anything into perfectly written text or drawn shapes. Enhance your lessons and simplify your teaching experience with EZWrite's AI-powered tools.